Good day po mga bayang karerista. November 30, 2025, Sunday at PJCI. Start time at 2 p.m. Unahin ko na itong mga pa-shoutout, apat lang to pero pag marami nilalagay ko sa dulo. Shoutout po pala kay Sir Rodilio Tabernilla, pinapa-shoutout niya si Tata Palos, Mr. Big Time. Sir Tata Palos at Sir Rodilio Tabernilla, shoutout po sa inyong dalawa at maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Alfonso Horado Jr. Sir Alfonso Horado Jr., shoutout po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir John Dolpraso at congrats po sa inyo at maraming salamat po. Shoutout po sa inyo, Sir Manuel Tandes. Sir Manuel Tandes, shoutout po sa iyo at maraming salamat po. Start na po tayo, race number 1. Numero 3, Joe Dropping. Ito para po sa akin dito sa race number 1. Sosoloin ko na po kagad to, itong numero 3, Joe Dropping. Naglaban-laban lang to, pera lang si Go Emago. Hindi ko na rin sinama yung preba ni Go Emago. In-upload kasi malayo nga nanalo pero hindi ganun naman kaganda yung preba. Wala ngayon si Isabel dito, kaya tingin ko lamang na ngayon dito to, yung numero 3, Joe Dropping. Pagkatapos nga po pala na itong info ko dito sa race number 1 na in-upload ko po yung last run nito ni Joe Dropping, kung saan nanalo si Isabel. Ito, andito rin sila Georgia nun at saka si Supreme, para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung susuluhin nyo po ba o magpo-protection pa kayo. Kaya po sa race number 1, itong numero 3, Joe Dropping, para po sa akin, susuluhin ko na po.
We'll see how we fare. They're off and running, though, in this first event, and off the inside quickly away was Jaw Dropping. Jaw Dropping immediately headed, though, by Isabel as they link up towards the course proper. Isabel leads Jaw Dropping a little bit deeper on the outside. Then came Supreme, followed by World of Maxine, is back at the tail of the field with Georgia into the back. They've got about 1,100 metres to go, and this favourite Isabel travelling sweetly under JB Hernandez, cuts away by 2.5 lengths in advance of Jaw Dropping. Supreme's in third spot, and then fourth on the outside moving forward Georgia. At the tail of the field is World of Maxine as they run towards the 800 metre corner, and Isabel, favourite, doing it nicely here and travelling like a winner, about 4 in advance of Jaw Dropping. Now, Supreme is getting a little bit closer and making some ground around the outside Georgia, and you can forget about the tail ender, which is World of Maxine, who's right out of the race. On towards the home turn, and Isabel away from the rail. Isabel about 3 or 4 in advance of Jaw Dropping on the inside and running on fairly well. Then Georgia at the 200, though. Isabel extends that margin, and Isabel races away 6 and 7 in advance of Georgia and Jaw Dropping. But have a look at Isabel go down to the wire. This is easy peasy for Isabel. Wins by 7. Jaw Dropping second, Georgia third. Then came Supreme, and a long and lonely last was World of Maxine. Well, just lived up to the great.
Sa race number 2 na po tayo. Numero 5, Repertory. Ito para po sa akin. Susuluhin ko na po ulit to sa race number 2. Naimpresibo ako dito sa Novato sa run nito. Ang ganda ng tinakbo. Kahit nandito si Speed of Sound, tingin ko kaya niyang unahan to. O kung hindi naman siya mauna, kaya naman din abangan lang din to ni Repertory to si Speed of Sound sa unahan. Kaya tingin ko lamang po dito to kasi ang ganda ng preba nito. Tapos nakapigil lang, hindi naman halos binigyan si Kabayo. Kaya tingin ko po lamang na lamang dito to numero 5, Repertory. Pagkatapos nga po pala ng info ko dito sa race number 2, in-upload ko po yung Novato sa run nito para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung susuluhin niyo po ba o magpo-protection pa kayo. Kaya sa race number 2, numero 5 Repertory, para po sa akin, susuluhin ko na po.
So we just await the go signal here. Off and running. He was a bit awkward away on the inside, Amber Moon, very green, and also Hot Spring. Now coming out on the outside, Repertory didn't jump that quick, but did muster some speed in the early part, and Repertory strides to the front under a very easy hole, getting up to second as Hot Spring. Amber Moon, after that bad getaway, up to third, and on the outside of him was Wireframe. Well, they're not going any great speed here, and there's only about 6 lengths over the 4 of them as they go to the top turn by the 800 metres. In front it is Repertory, travelling well. He's got the mouth wide open and he wants to go faster. In second spot, about 4 lengths away, we've got Hot Spring. Then came Wireframe with Amber Moon as they run towards the home turn. They've got about 650 metres left to travel, and he shot away in front and travelling very well as Repertory, and he's opened up a big break here. He's about 10 in advance. In second spot is Hot Spring. Then came Wireframe, and running on just fairly Amber Moon. But have a look at Repertory go. He's got a mile lead in front. He's about 7 and 8 lengths in advance of running on just fairly well Wireframe with Hot Spring, but it's all Repertory. And this has been very impressive. He wins by 10 on the wire. Wireframe second. Third is going to be Hot Spring, and Amber Moon, after that bad getaway, has ran last of all. Well, there's a nice, impressive fellow. He's got a lot to learn. Lovely big type, the son of Retin Tycoon. So we're going to be...
Sa race number 3 na po tayo. Dito sa race number 3, medyo magulo rito dahil nga may mabilis dito sila Brown Tiger, Isabel. Kasi si Brown Tiger ngayon lang tatakbo ng PJC to, baka manibago. Pero may panalo rin to dito. Hindi ko lang siya kinuha. Pero kung may mga puhunan pa kayo, pwede nyo idagdag to si Brown Tiger. Pampremera ko dito, numero 4, Black Eagle. Kasi si Black Eagle, bakit kinuha kong pampremera? Baka kasi maghabulan si Brown Tiger saka si Isabel sa unahan. Ito makikinabang si Black Eagle, kasi si Black Eagle, pwedeng isunod lang tong kabayo na to. Second choice ko po yung King of War. Si King of War, diremating kabayo din to. Tingin ko pwede rin makinabang dito. Sakali maghabulan naman yung tatlo, si Brown Tiger, Isabel, Black Eagle. Papabor naman dito kay numero 6, King of War. Third choice ko na rin dito yung yung galing sa panalo rin na impresibo, yung numero 3, Isabel. Kasi nakatakbo na si Isabel dito. Tingin ko may panalo rin dito pag hindi hinabol ni Brown Tiger sa unahan. Tingin ko malaki chance na ito makatapos ng karera, itong numero 3, Isabel. Kaya po sa race number 3, pampremera ko po numero 4, Black Eagle. Second choice ko po numero 6, King of War. Third choice ko po yung numero 3, Isabel.
We'll see how we fare. They're off and running, though, in this first event, and off the inside quickly away was Jaw Dropping. Jaw Dropping immediately headed, though, by Isabel as they link up towards the course proper. Isabel leads Jaw Dropping a little bit deeper on the outside. Then came Supreme, followed by World of Maxine, is back at the tail of the field with Georgia into the back. They've got about 1,100 metres to go, and this favourite Isabel, travelling sweetly under JB Hernandez, cuts away by 2.5 lengths in advance of Jaw Dropping. Supreme's in third spot, and then fourth on the outside, moving forward Georgia. At the tail of the field is World of Maxine as they run towards the 800 metre corner, and Isabel, favourite, doing it nicely here and travelling like a winner, about 4 in advance of Jaw Dropping. Now, Supreme is getting a little bit closer and making some ground around the outside, Georgia. And you can forget about the tail ender, which is World of Maxine, who's right out of the race. On towards the home turn, and Isabel away from the rail. Isabel about 3 or 4 in advance of Jaw Dropping on the inside and running on fairly well. Then Georgia at the 200, though. Isabel extends that margin, and Isabel races away 6 and 7 in advance of Georgia and Jaw Dropping. But have a look at Isabel go down to the wire. This is easy peasy for Isabel. Wins by 7. Jaw Dropping second, Georgia third. Then came Supreme Supreme, and a long and lonely last was World of Maxine. Well, just lived up to the great. Okay, they're off and running. Left in a pretty good line after all that. And Smart Colin, well, he was away pretty quickly, not as quick as Black Eagle in the centre, who's taken on very quickly, though, by on the outside is Native Public. So it is in the centre, Black Eagle from Native Public. Back to third, Smart Colin, followed by Smooth Operator. And back at the tail of the field, going poorly, was Sam Boy as they run towards the 1,000 metres. Up front, it is Black Eagle, a length in advance, Native Public, Smooth Operator. The big boy moving closer up to third and followed then by Smart Colin. A long way back and going very poorly is Sam Boy. He's right out of the race. At the top turn, still the leader is Black Eagle, being joined on the outside, though, by Native Public, and 3 deep is Smooth Operator. They're about 5 and 6 in advance of Smart Colin, who's right out of the race. On towards the home turn, still travelling well, this leader, Black Eagle, under O.P. Cortez. Almost on terms is Native Public, and under the stick now, Smooth Operator. You can forget about Smart Colin and Sam Boy around the bend for home, and he's got a bit of a kick. Black Eagle kicked away. He's 3 in advance of Native Public, and then Smooth Operator, but they're all struggling behind this leader, Black Eagle. Black Eagle and O.P. Cortez, they've got a big lead over in second spot, Native Public, and this is going to fair dinkum bolt in down to the wire. Black Eagle beats Native Public. Smooth Operator making some ground late was Sam Boy, and the last was Smart Colin.
There, Opano racing now is Brown Tiger. Got so immediately, followed by Captive Moment around the outside now. Lady Outlaw in the middle portion now. Is King of War, but is still Brown Tiger, Liz Balang, Captive Moment racing second. And moving up now in the middle, Lady Outlaw, King of War now by the outside, and followed by Candle in the winner. While Confidence Surge is running on the tail of the field. As up mile now, Brown Tiger, Liz Balang, followed by Captive Moment. Then 2 lengths for the back now is King of War, Lady Outlaw, and moving up now on the outside is Candle in the wind, while Confidence Surge still running on the tail of the field. And towards the last 400 now is Brown Tiger, still in front by some 2 lengths. Lady Outlaw now by the outside second. And here comes Confidence Surge on the outside now. Oh, King of War and Lady Outlaw, and final turn now. It is still Brown Tiger, leads by some 3 lengths. Lady Outlaw moving on, King of War, and down to the finish now. It is still Brown Tiger, and finally that's Brown Tiger, King of War, Lady Outlaw, Confidence Surge, Captive Moment, Candle in the wind.
And that's the end of our race number 2, the 2025 Philracom second leg juvenile stakes race. Belongs to the favorite entry number 4.
Sa race number 4 na po tayo. Numero 5, Bantay Sarado, 5A Hole in 1. Ito para po sa akin dito sa race number 4. Sosolohin ko na po itong couple entry na to. Lalo na't lamang na lamang yung 5A Hole in 1 dito dahil sila Barati talaga kinakalaban nito. Kumpara ngayon, napakababa lang. Kaya tingin ko patok dito to. Itong numero 5, Bantay Sarado at 5A Hole in 1. Kaya po sa race number 4, itong numero 5, Bantay Sarado, 5A Hole in 1. Para po sa akin, sosolohin ko na po. Sa race 5 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito, numero 9, Orient Express. Ito maganda position niya, last to enter, nasa labas, hindi maiipit sa largaan. Tingin ko makakasabay kagad sa unahan. Kaya malaki chance na ito manalo dito. Itong numero Orient Express tapos cambio pa Jinete binigay kay JB Hernandez. Tingin ko maganda itatakbo ngayon nito. Second choice ko yung numero 3 High Dollar. Ito si High Dollar, medyo malakas lang pinalaban nito na nakaraan. Sila Bid for Fame. Tingin ko may panalo din to dito. Ito numero 3 High Dollar. Pangdehado ko po numero 8 Viva de Oro. Ito maganda lang isalida at makasabay lang din. Tingin ko may chance nito manalo rito. Ito numero 8 Viva de Oro. Kaya po sa race number 5 pampremera ko po numero 9 Orient Express. Second choice ko po numero 3 High Dollar. Third choice ko po na pandehado numero 8 Viva de Oro. Sa race number 6 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito numero 8 Cuencio. Maganda position niya, nasa labas. Hindi katulad last run na medyo nasa loob yun. Kaya hindi kagad naka-remate to. Malakas pala nakalaban nito si Reverse Merger nung sumigunda to. Baka mag-umento pa tong kabayo na to. Tingin ko malaki chance nito manalo dito. Sa mga nagtitipid, baka pwede kang soloin to. Ito numero 8 Cuencio. Second choice ko po yung numero 5 Velvet Haze saka 5-8 Elistar. Tingin ko kasi yung 5A walang gaanong mabilis. Baka makasolo area na naman at makaulit ng panalo. Tapos yung Velvet Haze naman mag-aabang lang din to kay Cuencio. Tingin ko may panalo rin to dito. Yung couple entering numero 5 Velvet Haze saka 5A Elistar. Pandehado ko pa numero 6 Del Campo. Baka makarimate na rito. Tingin ko malaki rin chance na ito manalo dito. Kaya po sa race number 6 pampremera ko po numero 8 Cuencio sa mga nagtitipid, pwedeng soloin. Second choice ko po numero 5 Velvet Haze 5A Elistar. Pandehado ko po numero 6 Del Campo. Sa race number 7 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito yung numero 7 Spreewell. Tingin ko walang gaano mabilis ngayon. Medyo may bilis lang si Lilibel pero tingin ko mas mabilis to si Spreewell. Baka mapabayaan sa unahan. Pag ito napabayaan nila, tingin ko malaki chance na ito makatapos ng karera to. Itong numero 7 Spreewell. Second choice ko po yung numero 6 Frosty Raven. Ito naman si Frosty Raven pwedeng isunod. Pwedeng irimate to. Kaya tingin ko baka pumabor dito sakaling pilitin nilang habulin si Spreewell sa unahan. Third choice ko po yung numero 4 Beltuna. Si Beltuna namamartida lang sa largahan. Pag ito maganda sinalida at nakasabay. Tingin ko malaki chance na ito manalo dito. Medyo humaba pa ang distansya ngayon 1-4. Kaya po sa race number 7 pampremera ko po numero 7 Spreewell. Second choice ko po yung numero 6 Frosty Raven. Third choice ko po yung numero 4 Beltuna. Pag may mga kursunada pa kayo dito, idagdag nyo lang po. Sa race number 8 na po tayo. Pampremera ko dito yung couple entry numero 2 Cool Mom 2A Clairvoyant na pares galing sa panalo. Tingin ko malaki chance na ito manalo dito. Lalo na yung Cool Mom kasi mag-aang yung peso. Second choice ko po dito yung numero 4 Gojigo 4A Queen Margot. Ito bigyan lang ng importansya na may-ari ito. Tingin ko pares may panalo rin to dito. Itong couple entry numero 4 Gojigo 4A Queen Margot. Kaya po sa race number 8 pampremera ko po yung couple entry numero 2 Cool Mom 2A Clairvoyant. At second choice ko po yung couple entry numero 4 Gojigo 4A Queen Margot. Sa last race na po tayo, pampremera ko po couple entry numero 2 Margot 2A GCT. Second choice ko po yung couple entry numero 6 Gable 6A Bahandi. Third choice ko po yung numero 1 Monument. Yun lang po and good luck and happy racing po mga bayang karerista.